What exists beneath the Antarctic ice wall? It was once designated a human-restricted zone by the U.S. government. And in the deep waters near the Antarctic ice wall, there are bizarre creatures that most people will never see in their lifetime. The closer to the deep sea, the stranger and more terrifying the creatures become. Now, this scientific expedition has arrived near the Antarctic ice wall. They are about to descend into the deep ocean to document the deep sea life beneath the ice. This is a journey into the unknown. No one knows what will happen next. As the submersible slowly descends along the ice wall, the submerged shape of the ice wall gradually comes into view. The 100-meter-long ice face is sculpted by the sea into a honeycomb pattern, like a carefully crafted mural. When the submersible reaches 200 meters in the mesopelagic zone, they witness a miraculous scene. Life exists here, surprisingly. When the light illuminates ahead, dense swarms of krill envelop the submersible like a sudden storm. As the submersible continues to descend, they discover an underwater garden. You might think these are sea plants, but they are not. These are living benthic animals. This is a brisingid star, an ancient marine invertebrate. They move using dozens of feathery arms. This is what they look like as they descend. As the submersible reaches 500 meters, they enter an astonishing world. There is a living worm. It looks remarkably like a sausage. It can reach lengths of up to 3 meters. Even the nearby white-tipped shark seems small in comparison. Soon, a mind-bending fish appears. This is the barrel-eye fish, a deep-sea fish that appears quite melancholic. The two orb-like structures in its head are its eyes. If you hadn't seen it with your own eyes, could you believe such a creature truly exists on Earth? When the submersible reaches 800 meters, an even more astonishing discovery excites the team. This is the vampire squid, one of the rarest deep-sea creatures humans have ever encountered. Its body glows with a psychedelic reddish-brown hue. Its tentacles, over 10 meters long, float like strips of fabric. This is the Humboldt squid. It can grow up to 2 meters in length. They behave like wolves on land, forming large hunting packs to catch prey. When prey is insufficient to satisfy them, they may turn on each other, cannibalizing their own kind. Soon, the submersible reaches 1,300 meters, the final destination of this expedition. This is the midnight zone. It is pitch black everywhere. It feels like stepping onto a planet from another dimension. Creatures are here as well. They resemble extraterrestrial visitors, radiating dazzling lights all over their bodies. 93% of the organisms here communicate through bioluminescence. Yet humanity's understanding of these light signals remains limited. This species, topped with a lantern, is called the anglerfish. They use the light atop their head to lure curious prey. This is the siphonophore. It possesses an almost immortal ability. Throughout their life, they continuously clone themselves, replicating countless tiny versions of themselves. These clones are linked together to form the longest animal on Earth. The longest recorded siphonophore reaches 120 meters. As the submersible reaches the seabed, vast methane bubbles erupt. Tests reveal extremely high concentrations of methane. Nearby on the seabed, there is a dense population of methane-dependent bacteria. These organisms may hold the key to understanding extraterrestrial life. Perhaps one day, humans will use the knowledge accumulated on Earth to discover similar strange life forms on extraterrestrial worlds with liquid water.